ready to go.
I need $1 million. Baby, why, oh, why? You ain't no undercover, my girl.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Aquava, it is saying it is your girl Eunice. Hi, hello, if you're new here. As you can tell by the title, I'm about to retouch my hair. You guys would have seen in the previous vlog that I took out my braids and I was just feeling like I want to spice things up a bit, you know. I have leftovers from the last time that I did this. So I have the Creme of Nature Exotic Shine Color. I have red copper and I have bronze copper. A few things I learned from the first time I did this. One, the dirtier your hair is, the better the color turns out on your hair. Number two, wear something that you don't really care for, something that you don't mind staining, because this is a messy business. Number three, make sure that you deep condition after you dye your hair. I don't have a specific deep conditioner. I just use the Creme of Nature Intensive Care Conditioner. I just leave it in for an hour and I add a few like oils in there. That's what I do, but of course do what is best for you. And make sure like the area you're working in is like covered up, because this is messy. You don't want the dye to fall on the floor and then your floors are stained. Like I have gray floors and I'm working with color. I can't afford, and my mom would actually slice me if I stain the floors. So I think that's all like the tips and advice I can think to give. And also you would have seen in the vlog that I put like some sort of cream or grease around the perimeter and around my ears and the nape of my neck, just so that the color doesn't stain my actual skin. So I'm going to put the the red copper about halfway down, then I'm going to put bronze copper from the roots to about halfway. So in the box you get an intensive conditioning treatment and argan oil, which I'm going to use later, and then you get the gel hair color, and then you get the idea is to put this into this and shake it up. Open this up, and I'm going to use this little part to poke it, and now it's poked. And then I'm going to open this up, and then I'm going to squeeze. I need to put it somewhere so I can really make sure that I'm squeezing all the... Oh! Wow, this is what I mean by this is messy. Okay, I think I've managed to squeeze everything in here. I'm gonna pop this back on and shake it, like really shake it. It's turning purple. Okay, I think I've staged it enough, because honestly my hands hurt. You do get the instructions. Oh, it's wet. Instructions and a pair of gloves, but I can't lie, the gloves that come with this, it ain't it, so I've got my own gloves to use. Ready to go. On the tips. And then I'm just going to work it. Oh, I'm gonna open my windows because I forgot this actually is it's rank. Like it smells so bad. Twirl it in itself and let it go like that. Work it. My eye is stinging. And then twirl it, twirl it, twirl it around itself. This is gonna be very redundant, by the way, so I'm just gonna speed through this. My skin is looking glorious. Wow. Editing Eunice will thank me for this. Okay, so fast forward Eunice now. Okay, so this is all done now. I'm now going to use a plastic bag. So wow, it looks so good. So whilst that's cooking, I'm going to clear up the mess I made. Oh, can you sing it out? Oh. That's all done now. My Instagram is blowing up because I'm updating there as well. So if you guys have not followed me on Instagram, I am working to get on 7K before my birthday. My birthday is, what's today's date? My birthday is in 12 days. As a birthday present, go and follow me on the gram if you haven't already. So I've got this plastic cap on now. I am going to add on my microfiber towel for extra heat. Yesterday, today, and forever, you are God. Okay, so what you guys will not see is me washing this out because it's gonna be messy, and I'm not trying to get water on my camera. It was expensive. So wash it until you can't see no color coming out, and then you do your normal routine, shampoo and deep condition and style as you wish. Sorry, I didn't say goodbye properly, but this is how my hair turned out. It turned out darker than I expected, but I actually do like the color that I got this second time round. So yeah, I hope you lot enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like and leave a nice comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.